Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned SLC 300. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one is equipped with the AMG line, which is going to give you the interior and exterior AMG. Up front, we've got a diamond style grille. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB Tex interior and a burl walnut trim. Coming around back, we've got a spoiler, our SLC 300 badging. Opening up the tailgate here, we've got a set of brand new AMG floor mats. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also comes with smartphone integration for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, our retractable roof buttons. This vehicle has 13,310 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SLC, check out feldmanimports.com.